Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Welcome back. Let's start by talking about the Aussie dollar. We are approaching a level where we will see a major decision being made by the markets. Are we going to see a reversal for the Aussie dollar towards the upside, or are we going to see more downside? We are approaching the bottom of this channel. If the test holds up, then we're definitely going to see more upside. However, if it fails to hold, then we're going to see more movement to the downside. The question is, as we move to the downside, are we going to break this low? Is this the low? Right? So we're not quite sure. So we're going to present two cases. If it holds and price goes up, then we will be looking at price exit at the top of this channel. We have a slight bias for this scenario until proven otherwise and price breaking down. However, be careful of a fake out. You may see a quick move down, break this, catch people going downwards, and then price starts to move up again. If you take this trade, a good stop loss will be around here, about 0.71295 or 30. And then you just ride it up to the top of the channel. Now for the bear case, if price fails to hold this bottom of the channel, then let's see, we should be seeing price take us down to maybe as far as 0.68, right? But the movement down will be extremely choppy. It will not look very clean. So just take note of that. We will be seeing a much messier structure than this, right? This pretty structured. So over the coming weeks, let's see what happens.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.